Hey, what's up, SafeMoon holder? So after a very long time, SafeMoon is wake up and the price of SafeMoon coin is increasing. So therefore, I will decide to make a video for SafeMoon, and definitely in this video, I will predicate this coin. I will share my opinion, and absolutely, I will do a technical analysis. So after this video, my friend, you will decide to this is selling time, holding time, or buying time, and please research personally also now. But this time absolutely my brother the price is increasing, so therefore my brother I will decide to make video. So my brother, as you can see here, 28.96% they will get a profit in just in only in last 3 days. So I think this is very high profit now, and the price is 0.502 USD dollar. I think the price is also very good now. I hope my brothers they will absolutely increasing more and more, but definitely if a holder are starting holding, they stop selling now. And this time my brother, as you can see here, safe moon, not just unique safe moon my brother, this time safe Mars and my brother Wazir X, this type coin my brother, all coins my friend especially very badly falls down, but the condition is very critical now. But my brother holder are starting loving, and definitely they are starting investing more and more, especially short term investor they are hold. So therefore the coin is completely going the moon now. Safe moon, congratulations by all you my subscribers, to the price is increasing, and I hope in upcoming days they will give you a very good profit. They will make you a millionaire now. See you next time holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and also press the bell icon. Please my brother, please subscribe.